Alright, back again. I got the new belt for the Toro. As you can see, I've already got the cover off the old belt out. This might help somebody wanting to put a new belt on. I've loosened this bolt right here, this bolt back here. Now you can lift it right up and get the belt fed underneath. Let's see what we can see here. This is underneath, hopefully it'll come out. Because you know, they tell you to take the blade and everything off. It's not worth doing all that effort. I think it's silly when you can just get the belt and come over to this side. Hopefully you can see it. Just put that in between. Try to get across over to the other side. Boom. There's the belt over the crank. Or over the pulley. I'm pushing it back, and up in here, not sure what it's going to show. It's going to feed it through this hole. Too bad there's gas and oil in the saw. It'd be different in the saw, sorry. In the lawnmower, it'd be easier to see if I could flip it right over, but I can't. There's gas and oil in it. Now this bracket here, that keeps the belt from falling off. The hole on this side and the hole on this side. The motor mount bolts are what keep it in. Or hold it up, I should say. And just looking. So one bolt. Sorry, you can't see much and there's not much I can do about that. This just kind of fits over like so. It fits up here like this. If you're doing one on your own, you'll see what I'm talking about. It bolts up to, anyway, up to these brackets. You pull your motor mount bolts out, and it just bolts up there. I'll bolt it up and I'll bring it back and show you. Alright, so there it is. Brackets bolted up in place. You got a bolt there, over there. You can see, hopefully you can see good. Just stops the belt from coming off. You know, flipping off the pulley there. Back up around this side. So I fed it through to here. Just let me lower the lawnmower down. I'll turn it back on. Okay. So now I'm just going to take this. Do one bolt. Sorry, my hand's in the way. Lift that bracket up. Sorry. There's really no way I can get the camera in here to show you, but it's quite simple. You get the bracket up and out of your way. You don't have to take it completely out. Just flip it. There you go. Boom. Belt slid over it. Pull this back around. Tighten the bolts back up, and that's it. Put the cover back on it. Really easy to put the belts on these. So you do up that bolt, and right back there is a hole for this bolt. Start it in there and show you. To get my big mitt out of the way. So that's where the bolt goes, right back there. There's only two bolts, hold that down. It's just got to be out of the way or you won't get the belt on. Oops. There. And part of it not fed in right. There we are. Tighten it up and I'll get back to you. Alright, I've got that all snugged up. Now you can see there's a lot of travel there. The adjustment for it is right here on the handlebars. See how much I can pull that down? They say you don't want that much. All you do is loosen this bolt off right here. Slide the outer shield back down towards the motor a little bit. So let me set you down for a second. Now apparently these have a bad habit of sliding back. Hope that's focusing. What I'm going to do is, it's not going as easy as it's supposed to. Let me loosen off a bit more. There. So I just pulled some of the shielding down this way. There's supposed to be very little slack there. There's just very little. And you just tighten it back up. But apparently these have a bad habit if you don't get them tight enough. The cable just, the outer shield will go back up towards that and then your cable's way too loose. Anyway, I'm going to finish putting this on, put the cover back on, clean it up, and it's going to go up for sale on Kijiji. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Just something a little different. Maybe it'll help somebody, maybe it won't. Have a good one. Thanks to everybody who subscribes, leaves comments, and gives thumbs up. Always appreciated. Have a good one. Okay, back just one last time. Sorry, I thought that was it. I just thought I'd show you. Of course, it's overcast. It's going to rain any second. There it is, all cleaned up. Cleaned up nice. Doesn't look that old. Apparently maybe 2007, so it's a lot older than I thought. They've made these SR4s for quite some time apparently. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.